enhance your business's purchasing capacity? Look, if you want to grow faster, your business needs the ability to buy a lot more stuff, products, services, and how do you get the business credit and financing to be able to do so? Well, that's exactly what I'm about to dive into right now during today's training. We are going to unlock the recipe to exponentially enhance your business's purchasing capacity so you can buy the stuff you want and need to grow your business even faster. Look, we got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Look, there's a lot of reasons you want to enhance your business's purchasing capacity. One of which is this allows you to actually buy things in bulk. Look, you can get significant discounts, sometimes upwards of 40 to 70% on what you're buying, just because you're buying what you are buying in bulk. And in order to do that, you need money. So by actually having the credit and financing you need to be able to do this, you're able to buy in bulk and save substantial amounts of money on the main things you need to actually sell your products and services. This can mean a lot more margin for you, which means a lot more profit, which means a lot more capital to be able to grow and a lot more money in your pocket as well. Plus, you're also getting better terms with suppliers. By having an increased purchasing capacity, you actually can get longer terms and lower rates that actually let you get way more from your suppliers and pay way less. This is why established businesses have it best with the relationship with their supplier. Because of their increased purchasing capacity, they're able to be able to buy in bulk. They're able to get better terms. They're able to have better margins, which makes them greater competitors. We want you to be competitive. So by enhancing your purchasing capacity, you're able to buy in bulk, get massive discounts, get better terms, and build better relationships with your supplier that helps you get more of what you need when you need it. So now you know why you'd want to do this. Let's talk about how to do it. How do you really enhance the purchasing capacity of your business? Well, the answer is actually more simple than you think it may be. Build your business credit. Look, suppliers are looking at your business credit quality to make a lot of determinations. Should they even give you a credit line? How much should they give you in a credit line? What kind of rates and terms should you pay? How long should you have to pay it back? How much should you pay in interest? So everything about how much you can buy and what you're going to pay to buy it comes down to your business credit quality. As a matter of fact, the business credit reporting agencies even recommend to suppliers how much you should be issued in credit and the rates and terms you should actually pay. So just by building business credit, you have an automatically higher recommendation of credit, and you're going to get better terms if you're just paying your bills as agreed that report to the business credit reporting agencies. You need to build your business credit. And by building your business credit, you're giving suppliers what they want to see, an established business credit history that shows you pay back your bills as agreed. Look, one of our clients got a $300,000 credit line without a personal credit check and without a personal guarantee with her main supplier just because she established business credit. Another one of our clients talks about how she's getting better contracts just because of her business credit quality. Look, she's an over-the-road trucker and she bids on jobs. And what she didn't know before she built business credit is the jobs she's bidding on are looking at her business credit profile. Once she started establishing business credit, she started getting more and more of the jobs she's actually bidding for. I can go on and on with the stories of how powerful this can be, but by building business credit, you're building a credit history to show suppliers that you pay your bills as agreed. This entices them to want to give you more credit, higher credit lines, better terms, and this will entice you to actually use those better terms they're giving you to buy more and grow even faster. So here's some of my tips to do this the right way. First of all, keep an eye on your financials. Build your business credit intentionally and make sure you're monitoring your business credit quality regularly, because that business credit report scores what lenders, credit issuers, and your suppliers are looking at to make all different types of decisions about you. Next, you want to invest in high growth opportunities. Look, the power of business credit is that you're able to go and get these large amounts of credit with your suppliers. This allows you to use the credit from the suppliers to buy what you need, saving your cash flow. This allows you to use your cash flow for growth. You know who does this best? Walmart, the #1 largest retailer in the world. 80% of what Walmart puts on their shelves, they're using business credit to buy. They're using the exact strategy we're talking about right now. They go to actually suppliers, they buy the supplies they need to put on their shelves using business credit. They put that on the shelves. You buy the stuff. You pay Walmart. Walmart uses your money to pay back the supplier. What this allows them to do is to conserve and save their cash. They then use their cash for growth, for expansion. It's why they have over 10,000 locations around the world. It's why they're the #1 retailer. OPM, baby, other people's money. This is the power you can have when you're using this strategy to gain more purchasing capacity. But you have to keep in mind, there are some pitfalls you can fall into. Your business credit scores are based on how you pay your bills, and even one day late will hurt you. So if you're gonna build business credit, you have to do it the right way. You have to make sure that you get credit and then you pay it back as agreed. Pay your payments on time or early. That's it. Like if you do that one thing, that is what's going to give you good business credit scores, and that's what's going to get you the best rates and terms with your suppliers. The other pitfall you can fall into is ignoring the terms that the actual supplier is giving you. You need to pay attention to the rates and terms that that supplier is giving you. Most importantly, how long are they giving you to pay back that money? Sometimes it's revolving, where you could pay a small minimum payment until you pay down the entire balance. Sometimes they give you 15 days, 30 days, 45, 55, 60 days. These are called net terms, net 30, net 55, for example. So you have to clearly understand those terms, because the longer they give you to repay, the more powerful that credit they're extending you actually will be. And most importantly, continue to build business credit. Look, you never should stop building business credit. The more credit you're building for your business, the more loans and credit lines that become available, the better rates and terms you're going to get, the higher the recommendation of credit from the business credit reporting agencies, which means the higher credit limits, the higher loan amounts, and the higher credit lines that you're getting from suppliers as well. So if you want a step-by-step guide to do this the right way, go to creditsuite.com/EIN. That guide has been downloaded over 1 million times, and it maps out the exact steps to succeed building your business credit. And by the way, if we can help you, let us know. At Credit Suite, we help improve your fundability to stop you from getting denied. Build your business credit so you can get credit strategically without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. And we help you tap into all types of legitimate business financing through over 1,000 lenders. So make sure you get your free finance assessment at creditsuite.com/consult. Hey, did you get value from this training? Make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out for our next training. We're talking about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.